chosen to take their stand on politically and with just their money in general, and where I've really seen the company gone such a drastic change from how I started at the company to where we are now. I mean, you can clearly see the magic is gone.
The magic is gone, folks. Never thought I'd see the day. I don't know what happens after this, but if the magic's gone, oh boy. That's when the tower comes falling down. Oh, the Tower of Babel Falls. Have a great day, folks. Hug your loved ones. It's gonna get nautical. Hide your valuables. Have a great day.